Hello, my name is Dibakash and this is my CS50 final project. I call it as color palettes. So basically this app enables users to register and log in, and they can have their own color palettes saved in a database. They can make their own color palettes and save it in the database, and they can delete it from the database as well. Let me walk you through the web app. So there are various checks. I won't go through the checks. Let me directly log in. So there is already one color palette that I have made previously. So if I want to, before removing, let me make one more color palette. Make palettes. Here you can change the color. I'm just selecting from the color prompt. Change the colors. Okay, and one more. Let's make it so that we can remember it. Alright, we have to give it a name. Okay, let's try without saving it, without giving a name. So basically it will throw an error, and here is our CS50 duck, which is deflated. You need to provide a palette name to save the palette. So let me make the palette again. This time let me give it a name, cool2. Let me change the color. Let me make it red. Add palette, and here it is. It is added to the database. Then again, if I want to remove it, I can remove it, and it's gone from the database. Users can also change their password. The password is not stored directly into the database, only the hash of the password is stored. It's similar to the finance input that we came across in CS50. So this is it. My name is Dibakash and this is CS50. CS50 is amazing.